Lesson 3. Pronoun, its kinds. Let's warm up initiative and self-direction. Choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. 1. I am Sophia. 2. He is an artist. 3. I am reading famous book. 4. They are in market. 5. We are playing. 6. I saw a bird in the field. 7. Oh, we are in the fair. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. Kaushik and Tina are friends. They are playing. Father bought me a tablet. It is white in color. Mrs. Khanna is my neighbor. She is a teacher. What do you observe from above sentences? Let's learn conceptual learning. We have observed that in all the above sentences how nouns are replaced by pronouns. Pronoun is used instead of a noun in a sentence. Pronouns such as she, he, it or they enrich the reading and writing experience by eliminating redundancy. Types of pronouns. Pronouns. Personal pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. Distributive pronouns. Relative pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. Emphatic pronouns. Personal pronouns. These pronouns refer to people, things, idea or events. 1. He knows classical music refers to a person. 2. They are workers refer to a group of people. 3. It goes at 100 km per hour refers to a thing. 4. When Mendel presented the theory of genetics, people did not believe it refers to an idea. 5. Tell me the scores of the match when it is over refers to an event. Grammar, connect. Each of the English personal pronouns shows us the grammatical person, gender, number, and case of the nouns it replaces. Look at the chart of personal pronoun. Person, number, subject, object. First person, singular, I, me. Plural, we, us. Second person, singular, you, you. Plural, you, you. Third person. Singular, living things. Singular, non-living things. He, she, it, him, her, it. Plural, they, them. Possessive pronouns. These pronouns show sense of belonging or possession in a sentence. We add s to nouns to show the possession. Examples: A. That book is mine. B. The car is ours. Demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns point out persons or things in a sentence. Examples: A. This is her bag. B. That is our school bus. Reflexive pronouns. These pronouns reflect the action done by the subject upon itself. It is formed by adding self to singular numbers or selves to plural numbers plural they them of the personal pronouns. The reflexive pronouns are myself, ourselves, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, and oneself. Examples: A. Amir prouds on himself. B. They hurt themselves. Emphatic pronouns. These pronouns emphasize upon the actions done by the subject. Emphatic pronouns too are formed like reflexive pronouns by adding self or selves to the personal pronouns. A reflexive pronoun answers the question whom, while an emphatic pronoun is used for the sake of emphasis or pressure on a pronoun or noun. Examples: A. She herself did it. B. They themselves broke the rule. Interrogative pronouns. These pronouns are question words. WH words like who, whom, whose ask questions about persons only. But what is used only for things, which is used for both persons and things. Examples: A. Who bought this book? B. Whom are you looking for? Relative pronouns. These pronouns join sentences and introduce noun clause and relative clause. Who, whom, whose, what, which, that, when and where are relative pronouns. Who, whom refer to persons, which, what refer to things, that, whose refer to persons and things, when refers to time, and where refers to place. The girl who is sleeping here is my neighbor. B. The boy whose pen was lost is crying bitterly. C. Listen to what the teacher says. D. This is the city where I was born. Distributive pronouns. These pronouns refer to pronouns or things taken as a whole. Distributive pronouns are each refer to every one of a number, persons or things, neither means not one nor the other out of the two things, either means the one or the other out of the two. They always take singular verbs. A. Each of the boys is working equally hard. B. Neither of the two arrested leaders is ready to confess their involvement. C. Either of the two proposals is acceptable. Indefinite pronouns. These pronouns refer to the persons or things in a general way. They are used indefinitely, and they do not refer to any specific or particular person or thing. Here, the number, singular or plural, or persons and things may not be known. Indefinite pronouns are someone, somebody, none, few, everyone, many, etc. A. Some of them are known to me. B. Somebody has stolen my wallet.